Okay, Year 8, so this is looking at some of the grammar that we've done this year and also to make sure that our pronunciation is as good as it can be. So we're going to start on the left-hand side with the perfect tense. This is the past tense that we did way back in October, and it means I did or I have done. So I'm going to take you through some of the key verbs that you're going to use quite a lot in the perfect tense, and if you can repeat it after me, it will just help with your pronunciation. So start. J'ai mangé. J'ai regardé. J'ai voyagé. J'ai visité. J'ai bu. J'ai vu. J'ai fait. J'ai pris. Je suis allé. Je suis resté. Je suis arrivé. Now you'll notice it's split into three different groups. The first group, this group here, are regular ER verbs. The majority of the time, this is what you will use. However, there are some irregular verbs. For example, I drank, j'ai bu, I saw, j'ai vu, I did, j'ai fait, and j'ai pris, I took. And then you also have the other group which don't take avoir in the past tense, they go with être. And you will have learnt the 16 verbs either with Mrs. van der Tramp or we're using the 16 être verbs poem. So there's some examples of the perfect tense. So let's move to the present tense for our pronunciation. Just repeat after me, this is how we say I do or I am doing with various key verbs. Je mange. Je regarde. Je voyage. Je visite. Je bois. Je vois. Je fais. Je prends. Je vais. Je reste. J'arrive. Okay, so that is the present tense. And you can pause the video at any point, go back, listen to it again, and just check the pronunciation that you know how to pronounce these words. So if you're happy with that, let's move on to the future tense, which is a little bit before Christmas. And this is where we're going to use one of the verbs already seen, je vais, which means I go or I am going. And in this instance, it means I am going. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this, je vais, but we're going to put an infinitive after it, so that it means I am going to do something. So if we look at the first one together, you'll see je vais means I am going, but then we put an infinitive after it and it means to eat. So let's practice our pronunciation of the future tense. Repeat after me. Je vais manger. Je vais regarder. Je vais voyager. Je vais visiter. Je vais boire. Je vais voir. Je vais faire. Je vais prendre. Je vais aller. Je vais rester. Je vais arriver. Okay, hopefully that's cleared up some pronunciation, the difficulties you might be having, and also it might make it a little bit clearer what the tenses look like when you look at them all together. Okay, hope that was helpful.